Okay, making a video of how to make a doghouse out of a 55-gallon drum. Just figured it out off the internet too. I was gonna fuck it up, cut it up sideways. Up here, dog got no fucking room, a lot of extra space for storage. So, I guess the trick is you cut the bottom off here. Gotta get my tools. Get some tools! Basic Bosch jigsaw. Let's see. Pretty aggressive blade. A little less aggressive. You don't want to jump around on you. Bebopping all over the place. Thing looks good. Been in the box for a while. Cut.